Today, I wanted to show you how to change the puddle lights in your Tesla from this to this. Okay, so we're going to be using our second generation premium puddle lights, which you can get at teslapuddlelights.com. One of the great things about this particular upgrade on the Tesla is the only tool you're gonna need is this, or something like this. We call this a spudger, which is a trim removal tool. It has a pointy edge. It's very, very durable plastic. And this allows you to get in and kind of pry things out without damaging your trim or hurting yourself. All right, so in the box, when you open it up, you have a pair of puddle lights. And there's also a QR code you can scan that'll take you to the install video. All right, so here's what the lights look like. One of the big differences right away that you may notice if you've ever seen our first generation lights is that in the second generation lights have a cable coming out of the top. And basically what this is for is because the cables for the puddle lights in the Teslas have varying lengths, and some of them are really short. And so a little bit of extra cable can really help out with the install. One of the things you're gonna notice is there's a left and a right light in the box. You wanna put the left in the driver's side and the right goes in the passenger side. If you mix them up and put them in the wrong side, it won't hurt anything, it's just your images will be rotated. So you wanna make sure you put the left in the driver's side and the R in the passenger side. The other thing you wanna do before the install is there's a little blue sticker on the outside of the light. That's to protect it from debris and dust and shipping. You're just gonna wanna peel that off before you install. Okay, so that's it. So let's go to the garage and start our install. All right, so here we are out in the garage and you can see we're on the bottom of the passenger door right now and the puddle light is right here. So what we're gonna do is we have our spudger. There's a small notch on the side of the puddle light. Because it's on the side of where the camera is, if I use that side, I'll block what I'm doing. So I'm actually gonna take it out from this side. It kind of doesn't matter which side you do. But basically all you do is you insert the spudger into one side. You kind of drive it in a little bit and then you just give it a little twist like that. And the light should just pop right out, just like that. So there's a little tab right here. And what you're gonna wanna do is press that tab down. While the tab is pressed down, you're then gonna pull the cable out of the light. One thing to keep in mind is that once you unplug the light, the windows are gonna roll up on the car and you're gonna hear the car beep. Don't worry about that, it's totally normal. The car will return to its normal state once you plug in the new light. So you just gently press this tab down and then pull the cable right out. So now what you do is you take the teslapuddlelights.com puddle light, you just go ahead and plug the new light in, just like that. This is just truly plug and play, it's really easy. The last step I do then before I put the light into the door is I'll shine the light on my hand just to check the projection. And you can see this one here is upside down. So we'll rotate it and then feed the cable into the door like that. And you can see this has an R on it because we're going into the passenger side. That's the correct one. And then I'll go ahead and feed it and then just push it into the door like that, and it's all done. So here you can see the finished product and it looks great. You have a nice big bright logo projected on the ground and you have nice clean sharp edges. Be sure to check out teslapuddlelights.com for high quality Tesla accessories. Thanks so much for watching.